Oh fuck. Oh fuck. It's not. Oh. Oh, excuse me.
That's spicy. Ooh, that was really spicy, y'all. That's some good shit. Sponsor me Sprite. That.
No, I'll drink. Sorry. Puta, traigo el eructo ahí atorado. Just so you can start. I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Wow. That one fucking hit coming. Anyways.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Ya no puedo.
I gave up a long time ago.
Dude. That's like
That was
Hold on, there's more. Hold on, stop. I'm gonna pee.
Don't forget. Don't forget. Post in the 5 minutes. Oh my lord.
I'm not doing it anymore.
Gosh, my eyes are just dripping. Ew.
I made it once. What's in this?
Carbonation.
My stomach hurts.
Can I burp? I don't know if this is throw up or. Oh god. How are you not burping? I don't know. Yo. Did you hear my stomach? This is literally what. Oh yeah, here we go. Oh, I was trying to hold it in. But I can't say it. I don't know. I've never drinking Sprite again. Ever. even just run my stomach bone. Woo. What kind of Sprite that girl in the video had, but it's a part 4. That's not all of it. There's more coming. There's more coming.
No, I still know.
I don't know if we can do this.
Oh my God.
Oh boy. Is that it? Oh my gosh. Oh my. Oh my word.
Sprite challenge completed. Twice.
I haven't
What
finished.
the?
No, salió de mi alma, perdón. ¿Ya perdí?
Gonna be dry by the time she gets there. It's scary. It's more mellier than mine. Y'all, that's the Sprite challenge. So she did not throw up. That was a
And we
negatory.
got her done.